we gonna eat first though? I think it's a good idea. We should eat first, have our Swedish meatballs. Oh, you love meatballs. Alright. We'll see you when we get there.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be.
We got some Swedish meatballs, some seasoned vegetables, mashed potatoes and gravy, lingonberry sauce.
It's the same
really
thing.
sweet.
It's cranberries.
Oh,
But we don't call them lingonberries here. We call them cranberries.
some garlic bread. Noah got some chicken fingers and french fries and some macaroni and
So you won't eat?
cheese.
No, over here.
So
Eat the
all
bread.
of this plus the drinks is $25. I absolutely love IKEA. Like, they make the rooms for you. Tell you each individual price, but of course they make the room for you.
We're gonna be here all day. We're gonna be here for a little bit longer. Do you run away and not listen to him? You need to sit down.
Did you find a ruler? You gonna measure everything now?
Who taught this rule? Who taught this?
Well, they only have so long of a ruler. They can't make them super long.
Why?
I don't know. If you guys have an IKEA next to you, I definitely suggest going to them because look, they show you every little thing. They sell these little containers. What'd you get?
Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
What's that? The piggy bank.
Oink, oink. No, you can't kiss it. Ordering a cake.
So if you keep shopping and you realize that you didn't pick up this item, when you go to the pickup area, this is what you look for. So you check out, and then you can have some more food. We have like cinnamon rolls and hot dogs, and candy, and Swedish food market.
Hi everyone.
A little nice area.
Two touch. Small touch like that.
Thank you, Noah.
We're going down.
No.
Special wheels to keep them in place.
What?
Hey guys, we're back home now, and just wanted to show you what we got. So this whole set, these two together, is $28, and they have different options and different sizes that range in price. But this right here, the different sizes of bins, shades of colors, whatnot, and I'll show you what this looks later. And then we also got plates. This set was $25. We have bought plates from them in the past. You get 6 each. So this is what our set looks like. And we're trying to have a Southwestern theme. I guess that's why we have bell peppers there. So Willow's still having some constipation issues. So a good friend said, papaya. I went to Aldi and bought a papaya. And then I cut it up, processed it to where Willow can eat it. Tomorrow may be a nasty poop. All right, guys, we're ending the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And have a good evening, guys. Bye.